Hey guys, it's Zara from The Fitness. Welcome back. Today we are in the kitchen. As you can see, we're making overnight oats. Such a simple recipe. I will show you the base and I'll show you how to twist it into a couple of different versions. We're doing 4 here. We're doing a basic one with fruit. Pomegranates are in season, so loaded it with pomegranate, banana, and a little twist of saffron. The next one we are going to be doing is an apple cinnamon, apple pie. It's fall. Those flavors are in the air, so it smells delicious right here, and fresh apples from my friend's garden. The third one we're doing is a carrot cake, so that's loaded with carrots and dates and some pecans and coconut. And then the last one is one of my favorites. It's a chocolate peanut butter. Feels like you're having dessert for breakfast. How good is that? So we'll show you guys the base on how to make it, and then I'll show you how to add all the little twists. You can make these all at the beginning of the week and you have breakfast every day ready to go. Filling, nourishing, so many good nutrients, and done in minutes. So if you want to see how to make it, keep watching. All right, so the base of every overnight oats is the same, and then you have the fun with the toppings and the little twists that you can add. So I'm gonna show you how to make the base. I'm gonna show you 4 different flavors that we're gonna be doing today, but the base of each of them is always the same. So you're gonna need old-fashioned oats. I like old-fashioned oats because they are more nutrient dense. The quick oats, they're really finely milled and you kind of lose the nutrients. So old-fashioned oats, if you can get chia seeds, that's what's gonna plump up your overnight oats and just to give you that added omegas and protein. Maple syrup, you're gonna use cinnamon, vanilla, and then you're gonna use Greek yogurt. This is actually skyr yogurt, any type of thick yogurt, and then any type of nut milk or oat milk, even regular milk, whatever works for you. So that's the base, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So to make the overnight oats, you're gonna start with half a cup of oats. You're gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. You're gonna do 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. You're gonna do half a cup of milk. You're gonna do half a tablespoon of maple syrup, some cinnamon. And then you wanna give that a nice mix. All right, so now that you have the base for your overnight oats, I'm gonna show you a fun couple of ways that you can dress it up. Whatever you have on hand, have fun with it, try different things. A lot of them always just turn out yummy. So the first one we're gonna do is a chocolate peanut butter mix. You'll need 1 tablespoon of cacao powder and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. You're gonna wanna mix that in before you put your overnight oats in for the night, and then the next day you'll have that yummy chocolate peanut butter flavor. And then I love to top it off with chocolate chips and some shredded coconut. Okay, so this is the base and we are making a carrot cake one. So we're gonna shred up some carrots. We are going to use the zest of this clementine. We're gonna add in some walnuts, and I'm gonna cut up some dates, or you could put raisins. I'm not a big fan of raisins, so I will be putting in some dates. We're gonna mix it all up, and then we're gonna pop it in the fridge. All right, so this one I did the night before. I just want to show you how thick it is. It's really thickened up. You can give it a nice little mix. You can see the chia seeds have plumped up. The oats are softened. This is a really easy way to have your standard overnight oats. I love adding fresh fruit on top. Whatever you have in season, it is pomegranate season, so I'm gonna throw in some pomegranate, some banana, and a fun little twist is a little bit of saffron, and that just gives it such a nice flavor. And there you go, super simple. I always want to have recipes that you can have in your back pocket and pull out that are so easy to make, not be intimidated when you get into the kitchen, and know that sometimes all you need is a good base and then you can switch it up. So I would love to know from you guys which one you're gonna try or which one you would grab first. Is it the chocolate peanut butter? Is it the apple pie? Is it the fruit with the pomegranate? As you can tell with the spoon, that's what I went for first. Or is it the carrot cake? And again, any other ones you're gonna try at home, let me know as well. And I'm gonna dive into this one because this pomegranate is calling my name, and that saffron. I'm gonna have a little bite. It's so good and creamy, so filling and nutritious. I can't wait for you guys to try this. As always, let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see. Like and subscribe, it always helps me out. Share it with a friend that you think can make it for you when you go to their house for breakfast. And I will see you guys either on the mat or in the kitchen next time. Bye guys.